Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix not everyone can message this Facebook account. So if you are seeing that not everyone can message this account issue on Facebook or Facebook Messenger, this can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the solutions to fix this problem. So this error usually occurs due to privacy settings, Facebook restrictions on business or creator accounts, age restrictions preventing messages from being sent, and temporary glitches in Messenger or Facebook servers. So to fix it, first you need to check your Facebook privacy setting. So open your Facebook app and go to the settings in here. Tap on your photo and go to the settings and privacy. Click on settings and you can just search for who can message you. I'm going to just go with message in here in the keyword. This one. Here you can just set it to everyone or go to the message request, because if you choose to don't receive request, then no one can send you a message request. And the second one, you need to try to switch account type for business or creator account. So if you are using a Facebook page or creator account, Facebook may limit messages. So you can just switch back to a personal profile and check if the issue resolved. And don't forget to update Facebook and also Messenger. You can go to the Play Store or App Store, and then here you can just search for Facebook and also Messenger app. And if you see update like this one, you can click on update, because our older versions may have bugs causing message restrictions. And on Android, you can also clear the cache and restart app. So just go to the settings app on your phone and clear the cache, or you can also just long press on the app on the home screen, tap on info. Now click on the storage and cache and click on clear cache. So the next one, if you cannot still cannot send a message, you can just contact the Facebook support. This is the last resort. So if none of the previous fixes work, you can just report issue to Facebook. You can just go to the help and support in Facebook in here. This one, and report a problem. And after that, you can just select Messenger issues and describe the error. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.